So students, today we are going to study a beam with hinge support as well as roller support with the point load. So we have to calculate the support reactions at both ends. So here in this question we are having a 10 Newton load which is inclined at an 50-degree angle and 20 Newton force is in vertical direction. Then in the answer we need to draw the FBD. By replacing these supports we have to draw the support reactions. As we know, the hinge support carries two reactions, one horizontal and one vertical. So it will be AX and AY. Then at support B, the reaction RB is vertical. And we have resolved this 10 Newton force. Into rectangular components. So here 10 sin 50 and 10 cos 50, these are the two resolutes of the 10 Newton force. Then we know the system is in equilibrium and hence we have to apply the conditions of equilibrium. So let us apply first conditions of equilibrium, that is summation of moments about any point is equal to 0. Then here we have to take moment of each force from this system about point A and equate it to 0. So first force is AX, AY, and another force is RB also, 20 Newton, and this 10 sin 50 and 10 cos 50. In the answer we should not take this inclined 10 once again because we have already resolved this force into two components in the red. Then we will take the moment of each force. So out of this force, the three forces are passing through point A and hence its perpendicular distance from the point A is 0. So AX, AY and this 10 cos 50, the line of action of these all forces are passing through point A and hence its moment will be 0. Here we have shown AX into 0, AY into 0 and also 10 cos 50 into 0, and the remaining forces are 10 sin 50 into distance 1 meter and the 20 Newton force into distance 3 meter. Hence we have written it 10 sin 50 into 1 and minus 20 into 3 plus RB into 4. So where this RB is this force and this RB into this total distance up to point A, it is 4 meter. So as we know, the sign conventions are clockwise negative and anti-clockwise positive. Hence this equation we have got, and we have calculated the reaction RB, and that is 16.92 Newton. Now we can apply summation Fx is equal to 0. Then we can see the horizontal forces are AX, 10 cos 50, and hence we can get the value of AX. So left direction forces are negative, right direction forces are positive. AX minus 10 cos 50 is equal to 0, and hence we have calculated AX as 6.43 Newton. Now we apply the next condition of equilibrium to this system, and then we have to apply and equate it to 0. Hence AY minus 10 sin 50 minus 20 plus RB. Downward forces are negative, upward forces are positive. So here we can see in the figure this minus 10 sin 50 minus 20 plus AY and plus RB is equal to 0, and we got this equation and the value of AY. Now we need to calculate the resultant reaction at point A, and it should be x square plus AY square, and taking the square root of it, so value becomes 12.52 Newton. And we have to also calculate the theta for this reaction, that is tan inverse of AY by AX. It is 59 degree with the horizontal. So here we can write with respect to horizontal. So this is your final answer.